returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. This is a very short video on which I'm going to show you how I mix my Nivea cream to obtain a very effective, strong maintenance body lotion. So guys, these are my ingredients. You have there your Nivea lotion, my grapeseed oil, bile oil, vitamin E, and my homemade aloe vera and ginger oil with an empty jar or empty container which I'm going to mix my cream in. So guys, this video is self-explanatory because I do get a lot of talks like Nivea's cream is bad for the skin, it darkens or dull your complexion. But I want to show you, if you mix your Nivea cream this way, believe me, you are on a go. It will make your skin beautiful, young and radiant. You will see the glow. So guys, you know I'm team natural. If you love natural remedies or you like natural ways to maintain your skin, this is the right channel for you. Hit the subscription button and make it great. Bye guys, and stay blessed.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.